Hey, it's Riley. I'm going to show you a shopping haul that I did the other day, as well as a clean with me video and a makeup get ready with me. I'm going to vlog today. I'm going to HomeSense and then picking stuff up from Wegmans. And then I might go to Maxx also. Depends on, I don't know, just been feeling like it. And I'm just going to do light makeup today. Should be exciting. I'm using this tinted Jose Maran Protect and Perfect Radiance sunscreen. When I bought it, I thought it was just regular sunscreen. I didn't know it was tinted, but it actually is really nice. So, and I don't want to put anything too heavy on since I'm wearing a mask and my face is very sensitive. So just gonna rub that on. It's super glowy. My face just gets red. It won't be this red. Yeah, I'm hoping at HomeSense I can find like some glass bottles to put my bath soaps in, just so they're not in like the plastic. I think it'll be more cuter in, yeah, I just think it'll be cuter in a glass container that looks aesthetically pleasing. I blend all the way down to my neck because you want it to flow nicely. Okay, that's done, and then I'm going to add some concealer. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Just add a tiny bit. Perfect. Just like that. I'm going to blend that in. I'm going to take this Real Techniques blending brush thing. I'm going to do liquid highlight, and I'm just using this jelly highlight from Too Faced. I don't think they sell it anymore, unfortunately, but any liquid highlight will do. And then just tap it with my finger. It's like a champagne goldy color. And then I'm going to put setting powder under my eyes. I just put on some of this e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder under my eyes and on top of my eyelid. And then I'm just going to take this brown eyeshadow, matte brown eyeshadow, and just put that in the crease of my eye. Just add some texture, just like that. I'm not going to do that back and forth and build it up. My eyeshadow is done. I'm just going to add a tiny bit of shimmer to the inner corner using this NYX Brighten Up pigment. Just going to add it here. I'm going to do my eyebrows and mascara off camera, and then I'll be done. This is my finished makeup look, and I'm just going to spray this Make It Dewy setting spray from Milani. And I used this NYX glue for my eyebrows, and then this CoverGirl Exhibitionist for my mascara. And I'll be done. I'll probably add some chapstick. My mom just filled in. We're car twins. We're about to go into HomeSense. I'm going to vlog. I might go to other stores after. So hopefully it's a good shopping trip. So cute. I also like this too. Magnolia Home. This would be so cute to style. I love that. So adorable. It's very modern. Okay, I'm now at TJ Maxx because I'm gonna try to find a dog bed for Stella. She has one, but it's a little bit small, so I'm just gonna try to find a flat one. Hopefully she likes it better and doesn't take up all my space at night. Yeah, I got 2 glass containers for bath stuff at HomeSense, and I'll show you guys later. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Then I'm picking up Red Robin for lunch. Big Red Robin fan. Their corn dogs, so good. On the kids menu, but so good. Okay. You wanna get on? Yeah. You fell off. Oh my. Yep. So I'm gonna do a haul of what I got. I went to HomeSense, HomeGoods, TJ Maxx. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. And Red Robin, but I got Stella a new bed. She was laying on it and then she fell off. Yep. Thanks. It's really cute. Though I think I could have done a little bit bigger. I guess I just don't know how big she is. Yes, she likes to spread her body. Yes, you like to lay out long. And she's finding, so I got this basket, and she found a toy that I got her. Okay, yes, so I got this at HomeGoods. It's just a rope toy, one of her favorites for Tug. HomeGoods and TJ Maxx have really good dog toys, so I recommend looking if you need any pet supplies. I got this basket because I have other ones that are from the same company and that look like this, but this one I thought I could hold towels, like face towels in it, or just like regular towels. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, so I like that one. And then from TJ Maxx, I got this, which gets rid of, it removes lint from your clothes and like anything that's pilling, so that's cool. My battery's dying, so that's good. I got this Becca Jaclyn Hill collab champagne pop liquid highlight, and Becca is sadly closing, so I picked up a couple things, or I'm going to, but here's one of them. I got this, which is the Supergoop Invincible Setting Powder with SPF 45, which I thought would be good in summer, just to bring with me in my purse to reapply sunscreen when I have makeup on. Okay, and then I also got this other Becca highlight in the shade Moonstone. I just thought it was so cute. It's a little ornament, but yep. And then I also got another. I got so many highlights. I got this Milani highlight, the strobe light in the rose gold color, so I'm gonna try that out. I got a t-shirt that I thought was cute. It's just cinched on the sides. Like, yeah, little ties on the side. That was cute also. Oh, okay. Excuse me. And then I got these seamless bras from Nautica, from TJ Maxx, and I just liked how this one kind of had like a, band at the bottom. And then the cups are removable. I like these bras, they're so comfortable. Yeah. Okay, that was from TJ Maxx. Okay, and then at HomeSense I just got these two glass containers. I'm gonna put my bath bombs and like bath stuff in this one, so it'd be cute and you can just see. And then I'm gonna put one of my bath soaps in here just so it's more aesthetically pleasing. Yeah, just thought the glass would be cuter. Yeah, and this basket, which I already said. So that's my haul of what I got. And Stella is here playing with her new toy. I think she approves. She got another toy, but it's downstairs. It's just a snake. But yeah, thanks for watching. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys this Becca highlight that I got. And then, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'll do a swatch. There we go. Very pretty. Love that. Today I'm just gonna clean my room. It's kind of a mess. I'm gonna vacuum, then put clothes away, and just, yeah, tidy it up because it needs it. Yeah, so I might also clean downstairs a little bit too. Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Riley. Today I'm going to show a TJ Maxx, HomeSense, and HomeGoods haul. So I need to make the bed, tidy the nightstands, and then clear off my desk. Yeah, and this dresser. So I'm gonna do that now. And she brought me a football. Thank you so much. I just had put that away, so gets everything out of her basket. Thanks for watching.